Hi, I'm Dr. Molly with Your Goals Physical Therapy. In this video, we're going to talk about how you foam roll your IT band. So for all those runners out there, you know this is going to be a very intense stretch, but so much worth it because that IT band gets so tight on the outside of your thigh. So I use a 36-inch foam roller. That's a 6-inch diameter. And this is the black one, which is, the slightly harder one than the white one. So again, if you're new, please do not feel obligated to go buy the black one, because the white one is definitely, you'll definitely feel that stretch. There's no need to worry. So the way you set this up is a little awkward, right? The foam roller in itself is a little awkward. So you're gonna get onto your side, kind of in a side plank position, and you're gonna do your best to rest on the bottom leg. Now what I can do with this top leg is I can actually lift myself up, so if it gets too intense to roll on something, I can actually lift myself off, because if you have to fight the whole time you're on here against the foam roller because it's uncomfortable, you're not gonna get a good stretch. So you slide up and down with just the amount of pressure you can tolerate by lifting up with your, you obviously can use your arms, but you also have that leg to help you. So again, this is planted pretty good. And you just go up and down. Now, if you look at my bottom foot here that's wiggling, I can adjust where on my IT band. So if I roll back, I get a little bit of that line between my IT band and my hamstrings. And if I roll kind of where my foot is parallel to the floor, that's directly on that IT band. And then if I get to where my toe is pointed down, now I'm getting kind of where that quad hits the IT band, which on me is always very tight. Although I'm noticing I'm pretty tight everywhere, right? So if my face is red, it's because this is not comfortable. Okay, so you just go back and forth, and you kind of go all the way to right above your knee. So right above, so you want to get to about here, right? You don't need to go to your knee, but right above your knee. And then right below where that bony prominence is on your leg bone. So there's like this bony thing here and this bony landmark here. You're just going back and forth right there. So I hope that information is helpful.